or super sticker, and feel free to drop question anything as long as good questions and not offensive. Hi from Paris, France.
Asa medyas? Lutong ron.
Nadrat ako. Akong drawer. Manila is hot. There went my ears. Hi Ed! What's up Ed? Manila is hot. BGC, the area where I'm at, very nice. Hi Jacob! Yeah, it's hot guys. Even here in the Toledo, it's hot. Yeah, Irag was hot. Oh. Hello Ed, what's up? What are you up to? I hit the like on your videos when they come up, but I don't always watch everything in full. I already know Christy can dance like an adult. Yeah. Enjoy. Hello everyone from Ed. Enjoy the mic. Enjoy their mics. Keep safe. Always bring water. Yeah. Always bring water and t-shirt mic, because you are just like joke lang. If you're not going to bring extra shirt. It's hot. Mike, this is your first time traveling here in the Philippines? I want Greenland. Huh? But Hawaii, same weather in Philippines. Ah, okay. Are you single? Single, double, triple. Madam G, good afternoon. Good afternoon. First time for me to PH. Ah, okay. Mike's not virgin in the Philippines anymore. Triple kill. Yeah, triple kill. I'm from Philippines. Hey, do you have OnlyFans? No! Only public. Can you just buy water in the street from the selling of barbecue chicken feet like that? Yes, you can buy water anytime. Anytime, everywhere, in the mini store or something like that. Oy, Chico Bradley. Like a stream 2 times. Yeah, I end my live earlier guys because it's so very small viewers. Viewers very small. Laika, I challenge Mike to eat balot. Help me Laika, okay? Mike, are you going to eat balot, Mike? What age you will get married and have kids? Now. Joke lang. Can you see me? Yeah, I can see you. Your name here. Give me a blue, please. Blue? I have a blue here. Look behind. What happened to the behind? I swear I can fly. I want their big char. Madam single life or join life. Run oil change. I send money to buy balot for Mike. Like help me. Hala, there is a challenge for you, Mike. 1,000 mics. Hindi ko shorty kung kaon siyag balot. Very beautiful, thank you. Hello Gary, how is your day going for you today? My day, so far it's good, always good as always. Going to see you again. Hello Gary, what's up? Have you ever had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Yum, so tasty. Yeah. Peanut and bread. Yeah, sandwich and peanut. Yeah, I tried. Yummy. Daghan.
Ganun hati.
Haha, cutie like nothing wrong with that behind.
Nothing wrong with that. Kitsa na. Nothing wrong with that behind Ron Obi.
Sis, I feel you
Hello, Ron
with
Obi.
always and
Hello,
forever.
guys. 62 viewers.
The ballot countdown has begun. Oh. Which city in your home? Toledo. You got the power. New year enjoy like a lot of people to say. Chandrina from MM. Eh, Chandrina from MM. I don't know. My sister is going home na. Laika, Chandrina. Let's grow the Laika's army. Yeah, help me guys to reach my goal. 100 likes. 1 likes needed. Hello, Riptar! She whispered my name. You should have a workout anyway. My workout is done. Yeah, Laika, hopefully you reach 100k before end of this year. Lagi ate, hopefully guys, I can reach 100k. She scream my name, sana all. Yeah. Hello, Kalog. Gara sister. Yeah. Road to 87 million subs. How could I explain? How can I explain? Yeah, hopefully guys, I can reach my goal. Stream is back. Is Inday? Unsa nito sila oras ni Kuan Tilaag? Alas 3 pa man sad noon. Init aron. Adto kun slag plaza. What road? The road 87 million. This is a big road. Sabes. Manifesting big chore. Are you live or video? Or a video? Ah, this is Kwan. Live. Why? You cannot believe. You cannot believe that this is live. Do you think 100k subscribers will be so very difficult to now? Sometimes channel with 20k subscribers can have more viewers than channel with 100k subscribers, something like that. Yes, for me, it's really difficult to reach 100k for now because a lot of Filipino YouTubers na, then mostly the Kuan viewers, it's so very small. Yeah, but that's my goal only, to reach 100k. But if I cannot reach, that's okay. Maybe in the right time, cherries. In the right time, 2050, for sure, I can reach my goal. Most Filipinas live streamers are related to you. Yeah, mostly just like one barangay. If this is live, pat your head with one hand and rub your belly. This is not live, Ron Obi. This is koan. Joke with your other. You are on the road to 100k. Then 1 million. Hello, John Herzog. What's up? Oh, yes, I am in the road right now, guys. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I am in front of the road. I know was not live, not cool. Yeah. Oh, why are you smiling, John Herzog? If can reach 100k, just Mary rich hafam and koan, relax. Yes, that's the plan, joke. Relax and relax, nothing to do. Nothing to do. Yeah, I know. MM. Hi guys.